Good morning once again. So before we start our class this morning, let's have our prayer first. And I want Hanimi to lead us our prayer. Amen. And now let's check your attendance first. Adisa, Eileen, Ricalin, very good everyone. Now we have our classroom rules. So first is raise your hand if you want to answer. And next, listen properly, be participate, and last, respect each other. So before we start our class, let's read our objective first. So at the end of this lesson, the student will be able to identify the verbs, value the importance of verbs, and distinguish a verb in a sentence. And now, I have a picture here. So what you're going to do is to determine what they are doing. So in the first picture, what did you say? So the girl is singing. Very good, everyone. And the next picture is the boy is jumping. Very good. And now, I have here a scrambled word. So what you're going to do is to arrange the word properly. So the first word is the word words. And the next is the word action. And the last is the word verb. Very good, everyone. So our topic this morning is all about verb. So verb is an action or state being in a sentence. Verbs can express in a different tenses depending when their action being performed. So again, verbs means, yes, Adisa, it is an action word. Very good. What do you call the words that show an action? Yes, Eileen, it is a verb. Very good. Now, do you know the importance of the verb? Yes, Ricalin. So the importance of the verb is they help children communicate about the different event in their lives by combining words into a sentence. Very good, everyone. And now, I have here an example of sentence using verbs. So, the first is the girl cutting the paper. So, the action word here is the word cutting. Next is Roger is writing his name. So, the action word here is the word writing. Very good. And now, who wants to give me an example of verb? Yes, Adisa. Yes, eating. Very good, Adisa. Now, can anyone give me an example of action word in sentence? Yes, Ricalin. Eating is important to everyone. Very good, Ricalin. And now, I have a picture here. So, what you're going to do is to determine what is in the picture. So, I will give you 5 minutes to answer this activity. Understand? So your time is over. Let's check your activity. So the first picture is the girl is singing. So the action word here is the singing. Next is the boy is playing. So the action word here is playing. And the next is the boy is running. So the action word here is running. Next is the boy is writing. So the action word here is writing. Very good, everyone. For your last activity, you're going to underline the verb in the sentence. I will give you 5 minutes again to answer this activity. Your time is over. So pass your paper. So before we end our class, you have an assignment here. So let's list 5 action verbs and ask your parent on what are the action verbs they do in household chores. So that's the end of our class. I hope you learned something. Thank you for your participating and thank you for your listening. Goodbye and thank you, class.